we're looking at AppLovin here on the weekly chart. You can see this last week that we just had. It did end green, right? And overall, we ended up $4.20 higher than Thursday's trading session. So that is good. Ended the day green, ended the week green. But we have to see what is going to push us higher. Is this earnings cycle that's coming up? Is that earnings catalyst going to help us push us higher? We need to really get above the 383s and hold so we can start working our way to that $400 psych level. But it looks like we're just kind of chilling down here, riding this 9-day EMA, riding this lower trend line, and some overall indecision coming in on the week. But still, it's green. But we would really like a better, more confident green candle in here on the weekly. But still, we'll take what we can get. So right now, like we just mentioned, $4.20 move higher than the previous trading day's session. It looks like by this Friday, everybody's pricing in right around a $30 expected move. You go out to your earnings cycle, which is going to be August 8th. You do have earnings coming up August 6th. Aftermarket, everybody's pricing in right around a $58 expected move in here. So pretty decent size expected move and pretty good volatility in here overall. And that is what everybody's pricing in. So we should get a decent size move in here. And that's going to put a lot of levels on the tables for us. So that 9-day EMA that we just mentioned, this lower trend line here, all that could be on the table in here as we start getting closer in here to earnings. Now, we mentioned the 383 in here for a resistance. Anything above that, we're going to be looking at this 428. And then above there, really not a whole lot until you get to that 450 and then the $500 range. Anything below this lower trend line of 323s, and you're going to be looking at that $300 cycle level down here. But again, $58 expected move by that earnings cycle. So we'll see what happens in here as we get closer to that. But all in all, we did end green, even though we did have some indecision, but we need some volume and some RSI to come with us. But take that with a grain of salt because the earnings catalyst could change everything. So we'll see what happens in here as we start this new week in AppLovin. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.